We promise you'll love what Precision Door Service can do for your home. We offer a variety of elegant, top-of-the-line garage doors that are fully customizable, and we can retrofit directly into your old door space. You can even design your perfect door online before you ever pick up the phone. We'll show up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, when it works best for your schedule. Our team is upfront and honest with you on every aspect, from cost to warranty. At Precision Door, we appreciate your business and are willing to work hard to keep it. Call us today for your free new door estimate.